This tutorial instructs how to use a clipping mask to put a picture inside words. In this current Photoshop project, I have some text, a text layer, on top of a picture. Okay. Now, to do this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put that below there, and I am going to add a solid color overlay of just white. And I'm going to put that on the bottom. Just going to drag it below the text layer. Now, all I have to do is right-click the picture now that it's in the proper position, and say Create Clipping Mask. And there you go. That is how to put a picture inside letters.